welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name's Febrith, and today I have another box from Aroma. So I placed this order after the disaster with my Skelegro potion with the broken glass and the liquid everywhere. They were unable to replace that. So instead I got a refund, and then I made another order of something else instead. That Skelegro potion did actually come back for sale again a few days later, but then was gone again in like 5 minutes. So I don't know. What they have and when they have it is very odd, and you really need to keep an eye on their website if there's something that you want. So let's get this open and see what we've got. Okay, so I just bought two items. This one has come in its component parts. It's the egg trinket box. So let me show you. Like, I need another trinket box, honestly, but it did look awfully cute and I couldn't help myself. So let's get it unwrapped. Ooh, look at the top. Beautiful. Shiny and lovely. Let's get the bottom open. Ooh, look at that. You could use that as a bowl for, I don't know, potpourri or something else, or you could just put the lid on, and that is way bigger than I was expecting. I don't know why, I never look at the measurements of things, and I have something in my mind as to that's how big I think it's going to be, and then it arrives and it's either really tiny or giant, and this is way bigger than I was expecting. So yeah, that is beautiful, really nice. You can actually fit quite a lot in there. You could even use that for, you know, like a candle or something. And then cool. Okay, so that's the first item. And that was such a bargain. I think it was like 15 quid. And then the other, ta-da! Okay, the other is so well wrapped. Look at this, how cute. So it's the Hogwarts Express. It's a little, this sticker's been put on a little bit squiffy. I don't know if you can tell, but hey, it's fine. And it has a candle, which smells really musky. It's quite nice. I will let you know what the notes are in a second when I show you the close-up. There's, oh, clever. Look at that. There's a little pop-out thingy at the bottom, like it's a money box or something. That's cool. So that if you put small stuff in there and struggle to get it out once you've burnt the candle, then you might be able to get it out the bottom. That's useful. And it is adorable. I love it. It's such a cute little thing. All right, well, there's a necklace in here apparently somewhere once you've burned the candle down. I haven't even burned my Hogwarts Castle one yet, which is over there. No, that side, over there somewhere behind me. But yeah, okay, let me show you the close-ups of these. Okay, here we are. So here's the bowl part of the egg. It is super shiny and therefore quite difficult to show you all the exact detail. If you've got the Noble Collection egg, it's almost exactly the same as that, except obviously ceramic and very shiny. Shinier even than the actual Noble Collection one. That is lovely. And then here's the train. Give my little pixie. He just came from eBay today. And yeah, so slightly wonky little label there. I don't know if that's something I can peel off or not. I'd be a bit scared to do it, so I'll probably just show it this way around because that one's on nice and straight. And yeah, it smells lovely. Right, let me check the notes for you. Oh, I can't because it's not for sale anymore. Oh my god. So yeah, I don't know what this is supposed to smell of, but it smells very nice, and it is, like I say, quite musky. Hang on a second. Okay, I just got my magnifying glass out to see if I could actually see what it says on the bottom. It doesn't give you the scent notes there, so I'm not sure. But yeah, it's very nice. And so there we are. Thank you, Charmed Aroma, for sending them to me in one piece, which I appreciate very much. And now I just need to find somewhere to put them. I also got this today as well. Look at this wand, just as a random thing. This came in the mail from eBay. It's called the Verdant Wand or Verduous Wand, something like that. Super heavy and really nice detail. So yeah, I love the colour of this. I will find somewhere to put that. I'm not a wand collector, but I just love the look of it. So yep, there we go. Anyway, I will call that the end of this video. See you soon for the next one. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.